Hello and welcome back to 100% Info. In this video, I will show you how to fix auto brightness not working on Google Pixel 10 Pro XL. Let's begin. There's actually only one thing you can probably do to fix your auto brightness not working. First, you want to simply head into your settings and then scroll down a little and enter display and touch. In here, right at the bottom, we should see our brightness level and right below adaptive brightness. If you have this setting enabled, then you should be good to go and you should be able to just use it as normally. However, if you have it disabled, then the auto brightness feature simply won't work. So make sure it's enabled. And then, as you can see, the brightness level should automatically adjust themselves. However, if you're still struggling, you can always lock your screen. You can always take some sort of microfiber cloth, for me it's something like this, and then you can give your device a nice little scrub like this. And with that out of the way, we should be able to, of course you want to focus on the sensor here, because thanks to those sensors, the camera can actually know and detect the light levels around you. However, if you're still struggling with the light levels specifically, you can always go into the control center and just reboot your device like this. I know that this may seem kind of silly, but trust me, it does really help. Whenever you reboot your device, you're not only rebooting the software but hardware as well, including those sensors that are responsible for detecting the light levels around you and then actually feeding that information to auto brightness feature. So if you have troubles with that, you can always give them a nice little reboot. And generally speaking, rebooting your phone from time to time is very good practice. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time.